This is Sarah. Sarah is planning for her wedding in 2 months. Hi Sarah, why do you look so frustrated?
I'm happy to say that I've found a great photographer, an amazing caterer, and a talented wedding planner for my special day. However, I've been struggling to find the right decorator to bring my wedding vision to life. I've looked everywhere, asked friends, checked social media, and even asked for recommendations from other vendors, but I just haven't found the perfect fit yet.
Sarah, have you tried Toronto Wedding Box's Dream Wedding Kit? They have a list of experienced wedding vendors, including decorators, who specialize in creating beautiful and personalized wedding decor.
I found Sunshine Decoration. They have so many 5-star reviews. And best of all, they are only 5 minutes away.
If you are looking for a trusted wedding decorator, then give Sunshine Decoration a call. They are an excellent wedding decorator due to their exceptional creativity and attention to detail.